Welcome to Gawad Madiskarte 2024. Of course, we are powered by PLDT Home.
I am so privileged and honored to be with moms. This is your day, this is your night, this is your awards. And our hope is that these little awards bring great inspiration not just to you, but to all the 190,000 members of the Madiskarte mom communities.
That is why PLDT Home is here for you, our Madiskarte moms, because your roles have evolved. From the moment you decide to become an entrepreneur, to the first time you make a sale and expand your business, we are here to support you and help to make your dreams a reality.
To all the working moms and mompreneurs, this award is for us. This award is a reminder that we always have the capacity to excel and that we are capable of achieving success in every aspect of our lives.
This recognition is not just for me, but for every hardworking mom who dares to dream bigger. And to my fellow finalists, maraming salamat po muli sa lahat. And here's to empowering more Filipino moms.
Let's continue doing what we love most while making a difference, not only for ourselves, but also for our families. It's not easy, but we are resilient. We are strong.
We should build our network of support, lalo na sa pamilya natin, para hindi tayo bibigay. Kasi ang pagnenegosyo nandyan lang naman yan eh. Huwag lang tayong mawawala ng inspirasyon na magpatuloy kung ano yung nasimulan natin.
I believe na I don't need to choose between my career and my children, that I can pursue both at the same time. It's hard, but it's not impossible. So to all the moms out there, hindi po natin kailangan mamili. So that's my prayer for all of us na, yes, hindi siya mabilis, pero hindi siya imposible.
Hindi ako mapapagod mag-inspire ng mga tao. Kaya kailangan ko mag-show up kasi gusto ko ma-encourage, ma-inspire yung mga kababaihan. So as Madiskarte mom, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, pero lahat tayo palaban.
This award symbolizes grit, failures, small wins, passion and determination. And this award also comes with social responsibility to set a good example, to be an inspiration, and to continue creating sustainable products and services.
I started working at a very young age. Lahat ng pwedeng business na pwede kong pasukin, lahat ng trabaho, kahit hindi ko na kaya, nag-step up ako for my family. And sobrang grateful ako na I'm sharing this story with you.
Keep pushing forward. The future is bright because of women like you, mga nanay na madiskarte. Let each other be a guiding light as you navigate the challenges ahead. Together, let us celebrate your success and honor the contributions you've made for your families and communities. Love yourself because we love you at the Philippine Commission on Women. Saludo po ako sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa Madiskarte Moms PH community, sa PLDT Home for giving us moms the opportunity to share our story and to inspire fellow moms kasi wala naman talagang hindi kakayanin with the right support, the right community at yung mga tools na naitutulong ng group na ito sa aming mga mompreneurs. Thank you so much po.
So thank you because for believing in our business and thank you for recognizing yung mga mommies, we can be more than just moms, but we can be mompreneurs.
Salamat po at kayo po ang naging daan para po magkakilala at malaman po natin ang kwento po ng bawat nanay sa grupo. Thank you very much po and I am forever grateful.
And may you continue to inspire more Filipino moms na maging entrepreneur sa panahon ngayon. And sana po mas marami po kayong matulungan ng mga small business owners at lumaki pa po sana yung community natin dito sa ating Madiskarte Moms PH.
Everyday nai-inspire kami sa community. So everyday na nakikita namin yung mga posts is may talagang may impact sa buhay namin, i-apply namin and marami kaming natututunan.
To all Madiskarte moms, if you think na nahihirapan kayo ngayon and nagkakaroon kayo ng struggles, okay lang yun. That's part of the experience. Sabi nga ng isa sa mga mentor namin, failures are prerequisite to success.
Maging inspiration sa inyo yung pinagdaanan ko. This is my second time to join and Don't give up. Kung may chance kayo, go lang.
Mas gusto ko pang tumulong no sa ibang mga nanay na mompreneurs kagaya ko, and sana no marami ring ma-inspire sa story ko.
Women do inspire women, and we would like to thank you all for the inspiration that you have given us. Ang dami nating magandang kwento na nakuha. We thank you for that. This community of strong, thriving, at higit sa lahat, salamat sa mga madiskarte moms natin dito.
And the members of this community are not only homemakers, they are change makers. They are people who've dug deep into their hearts and into whatever resources they had to make something big out of them. So you should be proud, and your family should be equally proud of you.
Let your businesses be a testament to your strength, resilience, and love for your families. You have shown that with hard work and dedication, you can provide not only for your loved ones, but also uplift your communities. As you continue your journey, remember that PLDT Home is here to support you every step of the way. To all our awardees and finalists, all of you are winners. May your light continue to shine brightly in everything you do.